Hello and thank you so much for joining me. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro 6. This just came out today and I will be doing the unboxing and the setup of this device for you today so you can have an idea of what to expect if you're planning to buy one of these devices. So as always, stay tuned and enjoy. So Microsoft released many Surface Pro 6, but on this video I was able to get my hand on the 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor with 100 guide. This is helpful if you are not familiar with the Surface Pro, so it's recommended to go through it if you have some time. In the box, you will also find the power supply. The Microsoft Surface Pro 6 comes in two colors, the platinum and the black. Personally, I prefer the black, but it was sold out, so I got the platinum one. Overall, this device looks premium, not too heavy. At the bottom, we have the keyboard connector, the charging port, the USB port, and volume up, volume down, plus the power button on the side. At the back of the device, you'll find the camera and two microphone holders. It is now time to power it on. And here it is, so beautiful. The color of the screen is so beautiful. Trust me when I said it, it's amazing. This will conclude our unboxing and setup of the Microsoft Surface Pro 6. On my next video, I'll be doing a full review of the Microsoft Surface Pro 6. If you like this video, please put a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Maxi Limit signing out.